how to create an account and get started on RedNote Xiaohongshu. Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can get started with a Chinese social media app, RedNote or Xiaohongshu, that combines the elements of Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. First of all, you're going to go to your app store and you're going to download the application. You can search for RedNote or you can search for Xiaohongshu and you will get right here. Once the application is downloaded, you will be able to see that we have two options. You can sign up using your WeChat account or you can use your phone number. Now, a lot of you will not have your WeChat account, so you will use your phone number. So we're going to simply click right here, and now you have to enter your mobile number here. You can actually create an account on any of the mobile number you have in any country. So you're going to simply click on the number and get a verification code. So I'm going to quickly do that. Once you click on sign in, then you will simply select this option. You can see here you can select allow or not. And now you can see we have our RedNote right here. So this is how you will get an account on your RedNote, and this is how you can sign up. Now you can simply go to the me option. This is where you will add your profile picture. You will be able to see your ID. You can add your gender, your birth date, and click on save. You can also start creating content on RedNote, and you will be able to then get followers and much more. I hope this video was a big help to you. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.